Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share you a life-saving tip that can come in handy whenever you find yourself without your magnifying glass or glasses while on the go. With a few simple steps, you can transform your phone into a makeshift magnifying glass, allowing you to see things with exceptional clarity even in the most convenient situations. Let's look at how we do that. First, open your camera app. Locate the zoom function. This typically involves a slider button or a pinch to zoom gesture. Did you know that your smartphone can actually act as a powerful magnifying tool? We all know that frustration of misplacing your glass or magnifying glass just when we need them the most. Whether you are trying to read tiny print on a prescription bottle, inspect a product label, or admire a beautiful insect close up, not having that extra magnification can be a real pain. But not to fear, your trusty smartphone is here to rescue you. As you know, most modern phones comes equipped with powerful cameras capable of incredible zoom levels. Now zoom in the object you want to magnify. Most phones offer several zoom levels, so adjust it until you achieve the desired clarity. For even better results, adjust the lighting. Use the flash or ambient light to illuminate the object for a clear view. Use the focus lock. This ensures the image remains sharp even if you move the camera slightly. Using your phone's camera as a magnifier offers several advantages over traditional magnifying glasses. Your phone is always in your pocket, so ready to use when you need it. You can zoom in and zoom out to achieve the perfect level of detail. Taking a screenshot, this allows you to zoom in even further on the image later. You can adjust the brightness and focus for optimal viewing. You can capture photos and screenshots for further reference. There you have it. Now you know how to turn your smartphone into a powerful magnification tool, ensuring you are never caught without that extra clarity when you need it most. So friends, next time you misplace your glasses or magnifying glass, don't panic. Just grab your phone and follow these simple steps to see the world in a whole new way. Leave a comment below and let me know how you plan to use this tip. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.